Hello kids and welcome back to my channel Naveen Siksha 1, and today I'm presenting you the unit number 10 for class 2. Subject is English, and first of all I will explain you the teacher's page. Let's see what it is about. Unit 10 is the culmination of an attempt to understand that one of the major skill of learning language is communication. Speech is one of the most important means of communication. So what we have to do, the child have mastery over the words, the richer the ability to communicate in the new language. More sounds of animals through stories and poems can be discussed, and children should be encouraged to listen carefully because a good listener will be a good speaker. The value that comes out of the story, the grasshopper and the ant, has to be subtly put into the children's mind that the hard work always pays for you, and the pleasure of the hard work and the comfort it offers. Laziness is the negative trait here and it should be discouraged, thus emphasize on the positive note, which is hard work. So and you can attempt a small dramatization too with just a few dialogues. And one more thing, the teacher should familiarize the children with the words like he, she, it, they. And the children can use these words with any noun. In the world web section, the answers may vary from clothing and food to change their notice in the nature. Now explain the children about the words using framing questions like how, can, will, did, would, should, is. Okay. And the last, enhance the concept of correct spelling. More exercises can be given to improve the vocabulary as we have done the new words. Writing practice, learning of new words. Now children, this is our unit number 10 and the poem which we have in this unit is Strange Talk. Now enjoy this poem about our animal friends. So it's a poem about the animals. Let's read it and then we will come to the exercise part of this poem. A little frog lived under a log, and every time he spoke, instead of saying good morning, he only said croak, croak. A duck lived by the waterside, and little did he lay. But when we asked, how do you do, he only said, quack, quack. A little pig lived in a sty, as fat as he could be, and when we asked for dinner, he cried out, wee, wee. Three pups lived in a kennel and loved to make a row, and when they meant, may we go out, they said, bow, wow, bow, wow. If all these animals talked as much as little girls and boys, and all of them tried to speak at once, wouldn't it make a noise? So, children, in this story, you have learned the sounds of different animals, and you can make out, you can differentiate the sounds of the animals. And after that, we will learn the new words. Instead, lake, lack, stay, kennel, row, meet. You have to write down these words 3 to 5 times in your notebook and learn the spelling so that you can improve your vocabulary. In the next part, reading is fun. We have to give the answers in true and false form. A little green frog said quack quack. It is false. A little pig loved to bake a row. It is also false. A duck only said croak croak. It is false. A pig cried out wee wee. It is true. And let's talk. Seema talk a lot and her brother call her talkative. Do you think Seema should talk when the teacher is teaching in the class? No. On the playground? Yes. While she is eating? No. Or when mother asked her about what happened in the school? Yes. Okay, now let's write. Complete the questions with the words in the boxes. Is your name? How old are you? When do you play? Here you can write down, you can use the word where also. Do you play? Okay. Where do you live? Now put the tick on the correct word. So I have underlined the words which are correct. We did not shout in the class. Do you like to drink water? He tried to climb the tree. Will you please help me? I can see with my eyes. Now make the sentences in the next part using the following words. There is there a big class? Are you reading a book? I am framing the questions. You can frame the sentences. Okay? The next part, have you bring your clothes? Has your father gone? Had been living there since last year. So in these I have made the questions only. You can frame the sentences. Now you have to write down the 5 lines on my pet. Like I have write it here. I have a pet dog. It is black in color. It is a female dog. It likes to eat both food, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. I love it very much. And the next is, let's enjoy this poem. The Wise Old Owl. A wise old owl lived on an oak. The more he saw, the less he spoke. The less he spoke, the more he heard. Why can't we all be like this wise old bird? And this is a picture story that you will narrate in this classroom. And it is a tale from the Panchatantra. Okay? These are the two ducks, and it's a tortoise. And this, see this? You can make out the sentences. And in the last part of this is, let's copy and write. One is given, means what? Copy each question and then choose the right answer from the red box. Means here questions are given here, answers is here. You have to only write down in a proper place. Like one is done. Is the man tall or short? He is tall. Is the woman tall or short? She is short. Is the elephant big or small? It is big. In this way, you will complete this exercise. And thank you for watching this video. If you like it, kindly share and subscribe it with your friends.